this video, we'll show you how to convert any design into stitches. For any design you create or import, the software automatically adds stitches. You may change stitch types, or you may edit the shapes. But in any case, the software automatically puts stitches on the design parts. But what if you want to manually fine-tune the stitches of a specific object? Turning off auto mode and editing the stitches is one option, but this actually affects the whole design. So let me show you how to edit the stitches of exactly the part you like. Right-click on any design part and use the Convert the Stitches option. As simple as that, you can choose Edit Stitches and simply edit the stitches of the part you like. You may even move a selection of stitches or insert extra stitches. One thing you should have in mind is that from the moment you convert the design to stitches, you can't edit the shape of it anymore. If you need to edit the shape again, you need to convert it into curves. So, before you proceed with that step, keep in mind that it's better to have finished with any alterations in the shape of the design first. In any case, editing the stitches of individual parts of a design may help you create something unique.